am back with another wig tutorial, and honestly, I've noticed that my wig tutorials have gotten shorter and shorter because these wig companies are finally listening to their customers. We do not want to have to install a bust down every single time. Like, yes, it looks good, the 13x6, full frontal lace, it looks bomb, but sometimes we just want to throw on a wig, and this is the perfect wig to do exactly that. This wig is from OQ Hair, and this is their 22-inch kinky straight wig. I love wigs that look like my natural hair, and that's a lot for me to say because I think I've worn every single type of wig you can possibly think of. I've done curly, I've done straight, I've done kinky, I've done blonde, I've done blue, I've done purple, I've done brown, I've done pink. I've literally done everything, especially in college, because that is the time to really experiment. But now that I'm getting into my mid-20s, I'm entering, an even finer era. I feel like I'm always just getting finer and finer and finer. I'm starting to learn what works for me, and I feel like the most compliments that I usually receive is when my hair looks clean, like clean, natural, sleek, effortless. That's usually what people use to describe the hairstyles that they like the most. And those hairstyles tend to be my slick puffs, which I will do a tutorial on, my kinky straight hair, which is this hair right here, absolutely gorgeous, and when I wear bobs or like a side part bust down. Those are like my go-to styles. Specifically this one, I feel like you can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's definitely one of those styles girls will be like, is that her hair? I don't know, is that her hair? I'm not sure. Like, this is super natural looking, and I encourage all of my women of color, please start to wear more natural looking wigs. People will think it's your hair. And I know that, I don't know why that's controversial to say, but other ethnicities, they wear hair that is similar to their hair texture and it looks like their hair. We can do the same thing as well. We can switch it up, because when I'm telling you, this wig looks so good. I didn't put anything on that lace, you guys. Look at it. It's amazing. What I really love about this hair is how flowy it is. Like, I straightened it after I took it out of the packaging, but this is how it looks straight, like that yucky-ish type texture. It looks like I got a blowout. It doesn't look like a silk press necessarily, but it looks like I did a very nice Dominican blowout, which I love. I think the density too is also a pretty natural density. So if you're looking for something that isn't super thick, but it's not ultra thin, I feel like this is the perfect density for you to try. So definitely give this wig a go. I definitely recommend cutting it though, because when you do take a wig out of the wig pack, it's going to look wiggy. Like, now I've kind of figured out why my wigs tend to look a little bit wiggy. It's because I don't trim and cut my hair appropriately. So for this one, I did a blunt cut. I wanted to give it like a 90s, fresh blowout type vibe, and for sure, I know I achieved that. I did the front framing layers, the face framing layers, which I think are absolutely timeless. And then I did a blunt cut on the bottom to kind of make my hair nice and even. And I just added a little bit of layers throughout the wig. And I think it made a huge difference from when it looked, when I first took it out of the pack. Not saying it didn't look good, but it looks even better now, if that makes sense. Like, do you see what I'm saying? It looks like I just straightened my hair, guys. And I started to get a little scissor happy, so I cut my hair even more in the front. I love a good layered look, especially if I want to do curls. This is like something you must do. So if you get a wig and you're like, hey, like, I'm not sure if I want to do little body wave curls, little, roller set, whatever, make sure that you have layers in that hair because the curls will last longer. A lot of girls say, oh, well, kinky straight hair doesn't hold a curl. Did you put layers in it, mama? Did you put layers? The answer is probably no. So definitely add some layers to it, give it some volume, give it some character, and you'll see the hair start to look more natural because the cut is more natural. Overall, I will say that this wig was a absolute 11 out of 10. Like, this is going to be one of my new favorites that I wear every day. So if you're looking for something more natural that you can dress up and dress down, this is the perfect wig for you. Like, look at that texture, you guys. How can you not miss this? So make sure you shop OQ Hair. The link is in the description box. Also follow me on TikTok to get this wig even quicker, you guys. It's in my TikTok shop, so you don't want to miss it before it sells out. And I'll see ya. Bye, guys.
My baby, my Valentine, yeah. Can I you make my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be